I'm giving like Diana Ross right now.
Yeah, she say my name. Beat up from the back, man could tell. Yeah, she say my name.
Oh, girl. I got so much makeup on this shirt from trying to put it on. Oh my god. Well, anyways, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee, if you guys did not know already, and today I'm coming to you guys with I guess we can call this like a wig video. So if you guys don't know, this is my first time ever buying a wig, and I've been seeing this wig and I've been eyeballing it, and it's like a cheap wig, but it just spoke to me and I felt like I could do something with it. So this is the wig I got. It is from Outre. Looks like this. Now, I did not get this from my local beauty supply store because they have other quick wigs, or this is a half wig actually. They have other half wigs, but they didn't have this particular one. The name of this one is called Ashani, and I got this off of Sam's Beauty. So let me tell you about Sam's Beauty. Sam's Beauty is like an online beauty supply store pretty much. I don't know if they sell accessories, but I know they have like everything hair. So I got this off Sam's Beauty. It was $15.99 on Sam's Beauty, but bitch, the shipping was $13.33, which made it $29, which made it damn near $30. But don't think you're getting ripped off. I mean, you are, but not really, because once you buy the wig in the stores, these half wigs are $30 in the store. So you're not really getting ripped off. It's just, when you see that $13.99, it's going to be like, $13.99, but if you decide to get a half wig in the store, that's how much it is anyways. So yeah, so it's like this wavy. I think that this is synthetic, but it's like sometimes you don't know what's synthetic these days. I feel like synthetic has grown over time. It says that it's heat resistant now, and it's set up to $400 degrees. So I'm guessing you could put heat on it, but it's already pre-curled and pre-styled, so I wouldn't know the need to put heat on it unless you want to straighten it. I wouldn't straighten no wig like this. I would just leave it in its natural state, how it's processed, how it's heavily processed to be. But if you know more than me, then do what you do, boo. So yeah, this is the wig that we're going to be applying today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid my hair, set my hair up and everything, and then I'm going to put on the wig, and we're going to style the wig and try to finesse the wig together, okay? So I'm going to braid this up, take this bun down, and we're going to, I'm going to do like the preparation work to put on the wig, and then we'll put it on together. Okay, so I'm back. So I didn't really braid my hair, but just got it flat enough to go into the stocking cap. And I didn't want to braid it or anything too tight because this is a half wig. I do have the perimeter of my hair left out, but I didn't know how much I may need to put back or take out. So I didn't want to restrict myself from like having that freedom. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take the wig out of the package. I showed you guys the package already, right? Boom. And if you want to go into like your beauty supply store may have this wig if you're even interested, but they do have other styles if you're into like half wigs. Nobody really wears half wigs anymore, to be honest, but bitch, I don't know. I just saw this one and I don't know. Something just told me to get it. So yeah. So let me take the wig out. Y'all, I've never held, okay, I've held a wig, but I've never like had a wig before. Like, this is so crazy. Okay, so it has the combs in the front, and it has combs at the bottom, and they do have adjustable straps. Y'all know what a wig look like. This is crazy to me because I guess I put it on. I mean, is there anything I need to detach before I put it on? Okay, well, first, this is the curl pattern of the hair, you guys. I haven't brushed it out, combed it out, finger combed it. This is what it is. So it's really nice, wavy, giving you those like flexi rod waves, that type of vibe. How do you put this on though? Okay, I'm gonna clip this comb right here. Oh, girl. Just think about if I was to get in a fight. Child. Okay. And then, okay. So I need to clip it first. Okay. Boom. So here she is, like this. Now I'm gonna take my real hair out of the front. Okay, so by the looks of it, I think I need to put a little bit more hair out. Yeah, I need to get some more hair. So let me put some more hair out. Y'all, I don't know. I just want to share this moment with you guys. So, okay. So out the gate, I'm gonna use hot tools to like style my leave out as of right now. But in the future, if I decide to wear this wig again, well, I paid for it. But when I wear it again, I'm definitely gonna use flexi rods. Most definitely. Okay. So, okay. Let me get myself together. I need oil. We need oil. So, I'm gonna take some of this coconut oil. This Palmer's coconut oil. Just to give my real hair some shine. Okay. So I'm gonna wand curl the perimeter of my hair to match the curl pattern. And I'm using this wand, this like 1-inch wand. This is perfect for this like curl pattern that I have going on. It's perfect for that. Oh, child. Okay, well, I just tested it out. If you do want to put, you see this little string right here? It kind of straightened it. So if you want to put heat on it, that's up to you. I wouldn't though. I would let it sit like that. Okay, let me go back. Let me take this off really quick. Let me take this off. The wig cap came off too. Let me style. Let me finish getting the curls to look like this curl is right here, so I can see, because I can't see. And that's where I'm like fucking up it. All right, you guys. So I have wand curled my hair in the front, and then I put the wig back on. So this kind of hair, it just looks like you can do like, y'all know back in the day when the whole flip over method used to be a thing. Well, it's still a thing. Like now that people have frontals, that's like a thing. So yeah, I think I kind of fucked up though, y'all. I feel like me running my fingers through it made it bigger than it should be. So that's kind of my bad, but let me try to like kind of bring it back. Okay. So yeah, as you see, the front part is shorter. And even if you want that look, which I feel like is really cute, you can do like a bangs. Oh, bitch, that's cute. Like if I was to cut this, but I don't want to cut it yet. Ooh, that'll be cute if I was to cut this. Just think if I was to cut this in bangs. That would be kind of cute. But I'm giving like Michael Jackson. I'm giving like Diana Ross right now. So, okay, so y'all, it's like weird because I know what to do, but it's just weird. I never had this on my head. This shit is hot. Wigs is hot. I've never had a wig on my head. Wigs are hot as fuck, okay? I can say that much. This shit is hot. So this is about where it stops, right here at the titty. And let me lay my edges because yeah, it don't look nappy in the front, but you know, we gotta lay the edges. I feel like that's gonna make me feel so much more better about how it looks in the front. But my hair, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, my hair is blending in really nicely with the wig.
Okay.
I ended up getting the right color because I haven't bought like hair, like pack hair, like you know, all that 1B and stuff. Girl, I don't even remember the last time I asked or even had to look for a 1B. So that was very nostalgic for me. Okay, so I'm loving the bigness, but this side, only thing I'm not liking is the fact that this side is like short. And it's just making it look weird to me. So what I'm gonna do is, to kind of tame it, I'm gonna pin this part of my hair back. Right? Should I do that? I'm gonna take another bobby pin and I'm just gonna kind of go under this little part and kind of just bring it down just a little bit. So it won't be so tall. You feel me? But so far, you guys, I really do like this wig. Now, it's synthetic, sister, so she a little nappy. But she's cute. Like from on surface, looking at the hair looks really nice. I love the curl pattern. Love, love, love the curl pattern. And I would definitely wear this again. I'm not just gonna wear it for the video. I think I will wear this wig again. I just think flexi rodding my leave out and not combing through the hair, it's kind of where I fucked up. I shouldn't have combed through it as much as I did, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. See, there you go. There you go. Now it's not so fucking tall. Like, I like the whole flip over look, but not when it's like. So, yeah. All right. Y'all like it? Do you think it's cute? Tell me if you think it's cute. If you don't think it's cute, be like, nah, sis, that ain't it. But all right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. So what I would say when I put this wig on again, what I will do differently is I am going to like hot comb my natural hair, flexi rod it with some small flexi rods, and then style it. But like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I had to see what I needed to get right. But that is what I will do first, and that will make this front part blend a lot better. But as right now, I really love the hair. I really love the curly wavy thing it's giving me. I like the bigness. It's different. It's a different look for your girl, but I do like it, and I'm happy that I purchased the wig. So I hope you guys liked it. I will have the wig linked down below if anyone's interested in getting it and trying it out. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can make this look better, please don't hesitate to let me know, because I'm open to suggestion, because you know, I don't know shit about wigs. I'm new to this. So, yeah. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.